Well, it's hard to earn a high income when you're selling homes less than $1 million. If you want a six-figure income, you'll have to sell dozens of homes because you only make a few $1,000s on each listing. But don't worry, by becoming a luxury real estate agent, it'll help you achieve your financial objectives by maximizing the commission you receive from each sale by selling high-end residences. Are you interested in learning how to earn more money as a luxury real estate agent? Here are some tips to help you become a luxury real estate agent. Educate yourself with the market. To gain their trust and succeed as a luxury real estate agent, you must persuade customers that you're a specialist in high-end real estate. You can't really fake it until you make it when it comes to the luxury market. Due to the fact that they cannot be priced using a straightforward price per square foot model like conventional homes, luxury properties are notably difficult to value. You'll need to become familiar with the luxury listings that are currently on the market as well as those that have previously sold in your community if you want to know how much these distinctive houses are worth. Due to their significant impact on value, pay close attention to the finishes and features in each home. Work on your image. A logo and website you created yourself probably won't look nice enough to catch their notice when you're seeking to acquire high net worth clients. Your visual branding should be perfected by working with a graphic designer who specializes in serving luxury real estate agents. If you don't have the money for that, obtain design ideas from other luxury real estate professionals in your area and focus on making your website user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. Your wardrobe is another important consideration. Even though you don't have to start going to fancy shops, your wardrobe should be professionally fitted and maintained. Co-list with an established luxury real estate agent. Until you have a proven track record of accomplishment, big net worth clientele are unlikely to entrust you with their $1 million residences. So how can you obtain the initial listings you require to establish your credibility? On a co-listing, a lot of fresh agents collaborate with an experienced luxury realtor. But before they accept, you'll need to demonstrate how partnering with you will be advantageous to them. Inform them that you're a dedicated agent who is prepared to perform the majority of the tasks for a negligible commission. Establish the right networks. You probably don't know many high net worth people until you belong to a wealthy family. Discover where the wealthy residents of your city hang out and make connections with them if you want to obtain luxury listings. You shouldn't offer them your services immediately away if you come across someone who seems like a promising prospect. The topic of your profession will undoubtedly come up if you start to have a conversation. You can then introduce yourself as a real estate agent who specializes in luxury listings and give them your business card. Get certification. Obtaining a high-end real estate certification is another approach to establish reputation and break into the luxury industry. You can select from a variety of professional qualifications such as a accredited luxury house specialist and certified luxury home marketing specialist. You'll need to complete a course, ace an exam, and sell a few expensive properties to demonstrate your proficiency in order to obtain one of these credentials. Enhance your marketing capabilities. To acquire luxury listings as well as sell them, you'll require exceptional marketing abilities. $1 million homes are listed for sale for an average of 24 days longer than less expensive homes. However, multi-million-dollar homes may be relisted several times over the course of several years before they're finally sold. Thus, you'll need to sharpen your marketing abilities to sell these listings. Because Instagram is so visually appealing, it's one of the most effective social media channels for promoting luxury properties. Therefore, it's crucial to understand how it works. Also, you'll need to strengthen your photographic and video editing capabilities or set aside money to hire a specialist. Additionally, important to the marketing of luxury properties are open houses, print advertisements, and inventiveness. You'll need to use unconventional thinking if you receive a challenging listing that doesn't react to these tried and true marketing techniques. Treating your clients with respect. Rich clients have higher expectations for service than do regular customers. Even if it's after business hours, try to return their calls and emails soon away. Make sure you provide them with regular status updates regarding their listing. Find ways to reward your client, such as bringing them to lunch at a fancy restaurant once you start earning commission and have more money to work with. If you treat your clients well and do a wonderful job with their listing, they might refer you to their wealthy friends. With that, we conclude today's video. Let us know what you think about these tips in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and do subscribe to our channel to watch more helpful videos like this one in the future. Goodbye.